Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Power Apps for rapid business apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Microsoft Power Apps, access the Power Apps portal at make.powerapps.com. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Power Apps homepage. To create a new app, click on the Create button on the left sidebar. You will see various options, including Canvas app, model-driven app, and portal. For beginners, we recommend starting with a Canvas app. Click on Canvas app from blank to initiate the creation process. Choose the layout that suits your needs, either phone or tablet. Once your app is created, familiarize yourself with the design interface. On the left side, you'll see the tree view, displaying your app components. In the center, you'll find the design canvas where you can place controls. On the right, the Properties pane will help you modify the selected controls. To add data to your app, click on Data in the left sidebar. Select Add Data and search for the data source you need, such as SharePoint, Excel, or SQL Server. After selecting your data source, click on Connect to link it to your app. Now, return to the design canvas to start adding components. Drag and drop controls from the Insert pane onto your canvas. You can add buttons, text boxes, galleries, and forms as needed. After placing components, configure their properties using the Properties pane. For instance, set the text of a button to specify its action. To define behaviors, select the button and set the onSelect property. You can use formulas similar to Excel for dynamic functionality. To preview your app while working, click on the play icon in the top right corner. This allows you to interact with your app in real time. Once satisfied with your app design, save your work by clicking on the File menu. From there, select Save and Confirm by clicking Save again. You can also publish your app for users by selecting Publish to Everyone. Lastly, share your app by going to Share under the File menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.